friends, I Dr. Shweta Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Biyani Group of Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Now, in my earlier lecture, I have already discussed the rules of solving dual of a linear programming problem. Now, in this lecture, I am going to tell you how to solve a linear programming problem by dual method. Now, the question which is given to us is known as the primal version. Now, this is the question which is given to us and we have to formulate the dual of this particular primal. Now, the first rule is, as the question is a maximized version, we have to change all the signs to maximized version. Now, concentrating on the first equation, the equation is already in maximized version, so there is no need to change any sign. Now, as I have already explained that an equal sign comprises both the equation, that is at least, at most and at least. Now, I am changing this equation in both the forms, x1 minus x2 plus x3 at most for x1 minus x2 plus x3 at least 4. Now, there is no need to change this particular sign as it is already in maximized version. Now, for changing this sign to maximize, we are going to multiply both the sides of the equation by negative sign. So, it's minus x1 plus x2 minus x3 at most equal to minus 4. Now, for the third equation, it is already in at least sign, so we are going to change it to at most by multiplying it to both the negative sign. So, for this, it's x1 plus x2 most 2. For changing, we are going to multiply by negative sign. So, it arrives to this. Now, our four equations are equation number 1. Here comes equation number 2. Here is equation number 3. And here is equation number 4. Now, we have changed all the equations to at most sign. Now, we are again drafting the coefficient matrix for primal. Now, how to draft the coefficient matrix for primal is, we are going to take all the coefficients of x1 variable, that is 2. For x1 is next equation is 1. In third equation it's minus 1. In fourth it's minus 1. Now, for x2 variable it's 1, it's minus 1, it's 1, and here it's nothing, so we'll count it as 0. For x3 is 6. The next equation is 3, and in third equation it's minus 3, and in fourth is minus 1. So, this is the next version. Now, this is the coefficient matrix for primal. Now, we are going to change it to coefficient matrix for dual. Now, how to change the same is coefficient matrix for dual. Now, for changing the primal to dual, we are going to take the variables in this form, like this: 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Here we are going to write as 1, minus 1, 1, 0. And here it's 6, 3, minus 3, minus 1. This is the coefficient matrix for dual. Now, as the variable for primal matrix is x, we are going to change the variable for dual matrix. We can take it as y or we can take it as z. I am going to take the same variable as y. Now, this is our coefficient matrix for dual. Now, I am going to change it in equation form. So, I have already told you that I am going to take the variable as y. So, now equation is 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 minus y4. If the important point to be noted is that if the primal equation is maximized, its dual is going to be minimized version, and if the primal is minimized, its dual is going to be maximized version. So, the sign is at least. Here the sign is at most. Now, the second equation is y1 minus y2 plus y3, and here no need to write y4 as the coefficient is 0. Now, third one is 6y1 plus 3y2 minus 3y3 and minus y4. Now, for this particular right hand side coefficient, we are going to take the maximized version coefficient, that is 4. For x2 version it's 5, and the third is missing, so we'll indicate it as 0. Now about the objective function, the variable, the constraints which we are going to take is this side constraint. As I have already told you, this is maximized version, so its dual is indicated as minimized version, and by indicating D we are highlighting it that it is the dual solution. Now 6y1 plus 4y2 minus 4y3 and minus 2y4. Now this is the version or the solution for primal to dual. For more informational video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share our website gurukpo.com. Thank you.